Good day, traders. This is Rich with BinaryOptionTrading.com coming live with some price action on the binary markets. Currently getting in a trade right now on September 11th, 2013, 10:17 a.m. I'm looking at a call option here, getting kind of early, looking for the climb up to the north side. Thinking price will move up from this level and climb. We had seen a nice move up here. It's been kind of dead all morning, and then it jumped up to almost the whole number. Now I'm looking for this pullback here to jump back up and challenge the whole number because it's got the momentum, and the momentum's building for the north side for the euro, and it'll be hard to go against the trend at this point. So let me put a 1 minute chart in and put a little arrow in and hopefully get a little rise to the north side. Oop. Can't get this thing clicked on. There we go. All right. So we are rising up. It is Rich with Binary Option Trading. Hope you're having a good week. It is hump day, and hopefully we can close with a winner here. Price almost touched the 33 here, but didn't actually get there. Nice pullback. Now I'm looking for the climb back up to challenge these wicks here and hopefully get through a breakout area. So nice trade yesterday, 20 pip winner. Beauty on that one. Some good comments yesterday. So make sure you guys like, comment, share, tweet, get it out there. Get involved in the channel and subscribe if you're new. Also check out the chart setup video if you haven't done that yet. That's on the website. So I'm going to pause right now. Hopefully we can get a nice winner and be right back. Okay guys, we are back here, and actually what I'm looking at here is a better trade, and what I'm doing now is getting in on a second trade. Hang on, there we go. What I'm trying to do is I'm hedging my trade with the initial one. I like the direction that I'm trading. However, price did move against me pretty quickly, and it's hitting the area I really liked, and that's resistance 2. Now, I don't recommend you guys do this on often at all or ever at all. But what I liked is the trend going to the north side, and I really like the resistance 2 trade being a factor here. And this will show probably a loser and a winner, and it will kind of break out even on the actual trade because I did go up a little bit on my I went 150 on the second trade and 100 on the first. So it should be about break even to a little bit further down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause for a second, work it out a little bit. You can see my entry here. You can see my entry here at Trade Rush. I have 3 minutes and 40 seconds to go, and hopefully this one could stay green. And if this one gets green, then I double up even more. But at least this one will protect this loss here. Okay, so I'm going to be right back. Okay, guys, we are back here, and we are finishing up this one trade. Now, we did get in on this level. Price went against us pretty good to resistance 2, and I got in a second trade with a little bit more on the trade level, going with the trend. And the only reason why I did it was because I have a few cows working for me, and we have a potential to get a double winner here. And if we do that, that's why I did this. If not, we'll get at least a single winner to counteract some of the losses on this particular trade. So we'll still have a loss on this one, but a winner on this one will help hedge this one to keep it minimal. I like this trade a lot down here, and hopefully you guys caught it. This was definitely a good trade. It's now coming back down to resistance 2, but after this leg up, definitely some interesting price action happening right now, and price is actually going to challenge our area even though this trade is closed. Oh, look at that jumper candle. Probably would have gone green on this particular one. So what we're going to do is I'm going to check out the back end. I don't think the first one won, but the second trade did for sure. Okay, guys, so here is the good news and bad news. The bad news is the first trade of the day failed by a pip. It had a chance, pip and a half, had a chance to come back and make a winner out of it, but I got in on a second trade at 150 on this particular trade at 1.32848, and it went to 1.3289. So we're talking about a 5 pip winner for 271. Now, if you combine the two, it's 250 on my two trades, and I ended up with 271. So it ended up being a $21 winner for the two trades, which isn't very important because it's more about the trading than anything else. So let's go back to that. But it just shows you I hedged there, or I didn't really hedge. I doubled up, and only because I knew that the momentum was north. The pullback was nice to the resistance 2, and look at it now. It's kind of moving up again. It's just been like this for a few days. I do this once every 3 or 4 months. I don't do this very often, so I don't want you guys to start doubling up here and there. But it's just the trade was in play. I liked it down at resistance 2. Had it gotten down there, and looking back at it, I should have waited. Patience didn't set in on me, and I should have waited for resistance 2 or at least the 133 challenge to take my trade of the day. But it was getting kind of late in the morning. I didn't know what was going to happen, and I got in here, and then I got in again here. So it worked out for us today. So it's an interesting change up for my trading. Just make sure you guys manage your risk, manage your money. Don't trade like this very often. I mean, we're talking ideal setup to take the secondary trade. Okay, don't just take a secondary trade just to take a secondary trade. But we had momentum to the north. We had a pullback to resistance 2. We had several things happening. We had the strong euro over the past week or so. Look at the daily. Prices definitely moving up. So there's definitely things that were working to make this trade viable on the second play. So I am going to close up this video for the day, and hopefully you guys will like, share, comment, get involved in the channel. I'm sure you guys are going to be interested in this trade with the double trade and the one loser. So just make sure you like and check out the charts of the video if you're new, and subscribe as well. So I'm going to talk to you on Thursday. This is Rich with BinaryOptionTrading.com for the trade of the day.